Are you tired of feeling sore after every workout? Do you struggle to recover and get back to the gym? If so, you may want to consider adding certain vitamins to your daily routine to aid in muscle repair. But with so many options, where do you even start? That's where we come in. In this video, we'll dive into the world of vitamins and their role in muscle repair. Get ready to spark your curiosity and learn something new. When it comes to muscle repair, most of us think of protein and strength training exercises. However, did you know that vitamins play a crucial role in the muscle repair process as well? That's right, certain vitamins and minerals can help improve the speed and quality of muscle repair and growth. Understanding the role that vitamins play in muscle repair is essential for anyone looking to optimize their fitness and recovery. Vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6 are known as the B-complex vitamins, and they are critical in energy production and metabolism. They help convert food into energy and are essential for muscle repair and growth. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and promotes healthy skin, bones, and muscles. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and support the repair of damaged muscle tissue. Calcium and magnesium are two minerals that are important for muscle function and repair. Calcium is necessary for muscle contractions, and magnesium helps regulate muscle tone and promote healthy muscle function. Zinc and iron are also important for muscle repair, as they help the body produce new muscle tissue and support muscle growth. So, if you're looking to optimize your muscle repair and growth, don't forget about the importance of vitamins and minerals in the process. By incorporating a well-rounded diet that includes these essential vitamins and minerals, you can help support your body's ability to repair and build healthy muscle tissue. When it comes to repairing damaged muscles, it's important to provide the body with the right nutrients and vitamins. Some vitamins and minerals are more essential than others, and they play a vital role in the muscle recovery process. Vitamin C, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation, which is often the root cause of muscle pain and injury. Vitamin D is also important for muscle repair, as it helps the body absorb calcium, which is necessary for strong bones and muscles. Another important nutrient is magnesium, which is critical for muscle function and helps to reduce muscle cramps and spasms. Magnesium is also a key component in many enzymatic reactions within the body, which is important for muscle repair and growth. Vitamins and minerals are a powerful combination for muscle repair, as they help to produce energy, support nerve function, and reduce muscle fatigue. B vitamins also help to synthesize proteins, which are the building blocks of muscles. Lastly, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein provides the body with the building blocks it needs to repair damaged tissue and build new muscle. Some of the best sources of protein include lean meats, dairy, eggs, and plant-based sources such as soy and legumes. So, if you're looking to speed up the muscle repair process, be sure to include these key vitamins and nutrients in your diet. By providing your body with the right nutrients, you'll be able to repair damaged muscle tissue faster and get back to your normal activities sooner. Vitamins for muscle repair is a great opportunity to reflect on the importance of maintaining a healthy body and mind. After exploring the benefits of specific vitamins and the role they play in muscle repair, it is clear that incorporating these vitamins into your diet is crucial for promoting optimal physical performance. Whether you're an athlete, gym goer, or just someone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including these essential vitamins in your diet can help to keep your muscles in tip-top shape. So, now that you know the importance of vitamins for muscle repair, it's time to take action. Start by speaking with your doctor about your current vitamin intake and how you can incorporate more of these essential nutrients into your diet. Whether it's through supplements or food sources, taking the necessary steps to support your muscle health can have a lasting impact on your overall well-being. With the right vitamins, you can recover from muscle strain faster, perform better during physical activities, and live life to the fullest. In the end, the importance of vitamins for muscle repair cannot be emphasized enough. By incorporating the right vitamins into your daily routine, you can ensure that your muscles are able to repair and recover quickly and efficiently. But, all of the information in the world won't make a difference if you don't take action. That's why we're asking you to take just a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll have access to all of our latest and greatest content on health, wellness, and fitness. And, who knows, maybe the next video you read will give you the edge you need to reach your goals and take your fitness to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Join us on this journey to better health and fitness today.